Welcome to this video on our blockchain solution for Dynamics 365 for finance and operations. Let's have a look how we can set up a smart contract. A smart contract may rely on two things, a smart customer and a smart product. So from the smart customers, let's have a look at the base data of a customer. Down here at the blockchain tab, you see that for this customer, the flag Use Smart Contract is enabled. And from the smart products, again, down here at the smart product, we have two settings. The first is if a smart contract can be used for the production of this product. And the second is which type of smart contract is used for this product. You can edit and change the type of the smart contract. In this example, a generic off-chain smart contract is used for this product, and we will leave it this way. Both things come together in a sales order. So let's create a new sales order. Let's create a new sales order for the smart customer. In my case, the smart customer is customer Northwind. This will create the sales order header. Next, we're going to add a sales line, and we are using the smart product. And from the line details, we will need to fill in all the information required for this sales line. So like the dimensions, the site and the warehouse. And now when we have a look at the blockchain tab, you see in case if the customer is a smart customer and the product is a smart product, these settings here are populated. So the smart contract setting is to yes, and the type of the smart contract is taken from the product. However, if you don't want to use a smart contract here, you can deactivate this flag, of course. Now that this sales order has been set up, we can save this sales order and create the production order to fulfill this sales line. So from product and supply, we create a new production order, and the information from the sales line is copied here to the production order. Let's say create. And this will create a new production order for this smart product, and the production order is linked to the sales line. And again, back here at the blockchain tab, this information is taken from the sales order. So we are using a smart contract here, and the type of the smart contract is a generic off-chain. If you don't want to use it, of course, you can deactivate it. However, if you're not coming from a sales order, but just simply setting up production orders, you can create a new production order and populate these fields manually if you want to. Now, how can we create a smart contract on the blockchain based on this information? There are two ways. From the menu, from the modules under blockchain, you can create the batch job that is deploying smart contracts, or you can directly go here under production order, blockchain, and say deploy. So we don't use a batch job here, but deploy directly. And what happens is that a new smart contract with the information from this production order, like the production ID, is generated and deployed to the blockchain. You see here the address of the blockchain here. And when we refresh this form, you see the address of the smart contract is now part of the production order, and the version 1.2 is the actual active version for this type of smart contract.